Was it a telemarketer, Kaya?
Put it under her arm.
Was that a telemarketer?
What? Oh, what'd they say? Are you making a date? Huh? Oh, that's right. They're not really saying anything. Quiet, Serena. Hello.
Okay. Do you like your phone, Kaya? Do you like your telephone? Okay. Bye-bye, Kaya.
Mama? Oh, yeah? Is it Anna?